Good morning students. Today we are going to start our 11th chapter of history, that is a changing cultural and tradition. In this chapter you will see the cultural change and tradition of the European society or in Italy. So in this video we are going to take an introduction part of this chapter. So let us start our topic student. You will see in 14th to 17th century many changes takes place in European society. The mainly changes comes in Italy country, and in Italy cities like Rome, Venice, and many more cities were there. Some here you will see some sources are given here which is help you to understand the cultural and tradition of the European society. Basically, as I earlier told you in our previous video, we have studied about the England and France. In this chapter we are going to studied about the Italy. Okay, the main changes which takes place, that is a population change in Italy. Some sources are given here, that is documents, whatever the documents were written at that time that help us to know about the history of the Italy, and the sculptures is also help us to know about, and printing tradition is also emerged at that time. So what books were printed at that time, that is also help us to know about the history of the Italy, and buildings and paintings, these all are the sources of the time which will get to know about the European society. Okay, so you will see that main changes comes in a art and cultural field. Okay, here one historian is the famous historian of the Italy, Jacob Berkeley, is 1818 to 97. The time period of Jacob is 1818 to 1897. He pay attention, he is the only historian who pay attention towards the literature, architecture and paintings by the books. His book's name is The Civilization of the Renaissance in Italy. This is the name of book of the Jacob. Their name is The Civilization of the Renaissance in Italy. Here I will tell you that what is the meaning of Renaissance. Okay, before that I will going to explain you that here Jacob is the only historian who says that the history of any place is as much as concerned with the cultural and the politics as with the politics. So before you know about the any place, not only the politics is matter, it also the art and culture is also helpful to know about that particular place. Okay, so here I am going to tell you the meaning of Renaissance. The Renaissance is meaning is rebirth in art field or in cultural field. At that time many philosophers, many artists you will see emerge. So rebirth, this time is 14th to 17th century is the time of the rebirth of art and cultural tradition. Okay, so Renaissance, from where the Renaissance start? One question is arise. So Renaissance starts from the Italy. So here the introduction parts of this chapter is complete. In our next video we will going to take our first topic of this chapter. Thank you students.